Baby Shark Bubble Fong Friends is an online competitive game based on blockchain technology. Play this game with your friends and earn rewards through esports competition. Baby Shark Bubble Fong Friends is a game that combines the popular classic bubble shooter game genre that everyone is familiar with, and enjoys, and the battle royale game style in which multiple users compete against each other in real time. This game consists of 101 Battle Royale, Team Battles, Single Play Mode, and many more game modes to come. Characters, equipment, and items acquired in the game can be issued as NFTs, which can be used to mine with the DeFi system called GameFi. This system allows for open NFT transactions between players. Baby Shark Bubble Fong Friends plans to issue and operate on two types of virtual currencies, BBF, a governance coin, and FRD, a utility coin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.